Alright, so if you're trying to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Google Pixel phone, it's a little different compared to something like a Samsung, for example. So the easiest way to do this would be through the quick settings. You can swipe down from the top right corner to reveal your quick settings, and depending on what buttons you see here, sometimes you'll want to swipe down again to reveal the full panel of quick settings. If Do Not Disturb is currently enabled, you'll probably see it here like this. So you can tap that, and that opens up the Modes menu. I could just tap that off and then confirm, and that's it. The reason why this is different compared to Samsung is that on a Samsung phone, you would see a Do Not Disturb button directly in your quick settings. But on Pixel phones, it's under this Modes menu. Pixel has different modes for bedtime, driving, etc., and Do Not Disturb is one of those. If you don't see that button in your quick settings, you can also do this through the Settings app as well. So I'll go to Settings, and here we also have Modes. You would go there, and if your Do Not Disturb was enabled, it would show up like this in the Modes menu. So to turn it off, you go here and just turn it off, and that's it. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.